I don't know if that's monkey meat or kangaroo patty, but we're about to find out. All right, here we go. Oh, definitely monkey meat. Yeah. I think that's kangaroo bacon though. Not too bad. Too bad it's $8 fucking, but I'm hungry. It's an $8 monkey.